So you'll be there just taking the shape of the clay, the thing that he's trying to make. So whether a pot or anything, we just do it. So something like this will be out for a while. We will expose it to the sun. We expose it to the sun for some time. So it will continue to be in the sun for some time. So when we are done with everything that is supposed to be, then we will make sure that all what is done and exposed to the sun will pass into we call it KL. We have so many firewood. We have so much firewood. By making sure that all the things are well closed. So you transition from a color like this. So you transition from a color like this and become when to do fight or when to become fight. After the process, if you still want to keep it like this, it will be like this. But if you want to make sure that we change the appearance of it, we will either paint it into something like this. That is how it looks like. So whatever that is, you carve it. But it's in the bigger one, pots like this is the machine that you can process you. You use the other one, you make it in the form of layers, and you just build it, to get what it comes to. You mean talk like
my son never.
oh.
Wow,